Welcome to Niseko!
Ang ganda ng view! Gusto niya mag-ride skiboard. Woo! Ang tanong, kaya ko ba? Hirap na yung legs ko. Today is our last day here in Sapporo and we are going to transfer in Niseko na. So our pickup time is around 9:25. Have to leave by 8:30 para at least makarating kami on time. If you're traveling from Sapporo to Niseko, here are your main options. First, you can take the JR train. It's reliable and scenic but usually requires transfers which can be a bit hassle, especially with big luggage during winter. Second option naman is private transfer or car rental. This is the most convenient and flexible, perfect for big groups, but definitely the most expensive. Third option is the bus, and this is what we chose. We book in advance through the Teikan Chuo bus website, around 6,000 yen per person. You can select your pickup point in Sapporo, whichever is the nearest to you. If you're arriving via New Chitose Airport, you can also book from there, same price, but seats are limited, so better to reserve early. There are also buses na you don't need to pre-book. You can just go to the bus stop and buy a ticket if you're not 100% sure of your schedule. Downside lang is you're not guaranteed a seat, especially peak season. Ang kagandahan sa bus, direct na siya, no transfers, and budget friendly. Cons will be fixed schedule and can sell out fast. So choose based on your flexibility, budget, and luggage. But for us, booking the bus in advance made everything smooth and stress-free. Wow, look at this! Ito, Niseko Wow Rentals. We're already... Uy, cheese tart! Pero sarado pa. Ayan, ang daming restaurants naman. Hanapin lang natin yung hotel natin mamaya. It looks so magical. 3 hours from the Sapporo Grand Hotel. Papunta dito sa Niseko Hirafu. Wala naman actually lang hinto-hinto. Dire-diretso lang. Siguro isang beses lang huminto nung may toilet break. Ay, nakita ko may gondola paakyat. Ayan na, Niseko Tokyo Resort. Kaya pala kailangan ng goggles. Kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin. Papasok sa mata yung snow. Ay, tignan mo yung butil, oh. Parang may bigas na tumatapon sa mukha mo. Lalakarin natin yung hotel natin. Pero may daanan naman. Ito, oh. Medyo safe naman. Mahangin lang. Wow! Hello! Oh my God! Ayan o, kung may sasakyan kayo, much better. Para convenient na mag-ikot-ikot within Niseko. Pero mas tipid siya kung grupo kayo na maghahati-hati. Pero kasi sa amin dalawa, hindi siya mura. Kapag dalawa lang ka. Wow! Careful lang, cause it's slippery. Tsaka yung slope pababa.
Welcome to Niseko!
Parating din kami. Ang saya.
You guys are in room A42. You'll have everything in your room as far as toilet, shower, sink, linens and towels and things. Anything else you might need, you'll probably find in the lavatory on your level, which is just at the other end of the hallway, in between the men's shower and toilet.
Just a quick room tour. This is our hotel. We are staying at Owashi Lodge. We booked the triple room with private bathroom via Agoda. It's just an 8 minutes walk to our ski lesson meetup tomorrow. And this is by far the cheapest that we got kasi we booked really late. I suggest pag mag-visit kayo sa Niseko, check at least 3 to 6 months in advance para marami kayong choices. Our ski gear rental is just downstairs. The only thing you just need to take in consideration when booking here is that there is no elevator. So if nasa pinakataas na floor kayo, which is the ones with private bathroom, 5th floor, you have to carry your luggage paakyat. And medyo struggle lang siya. But overall, the room is worth it for the price, lalo na yung view namin by the window. Breakfast is included na din pala with this booking.
Buti na lang nag-workout kami ng bonggang-bongga bago umalis. My God, nasa top floor pa kami. I think yung first 2 floors, yun yung mga shared bathroom. Ito, 402. Wow! Ay, ang ganda ng view di! Asarap mag-emote. Sulit yung inakyat. Ang ganda ng view! Hey guys, so we just arrived here at our hotel. Ala, ang gulo ng buhok ko. Wait lang. Ang hangin kasi sa labas sobra. Like, pagdating namin dito, tinatangay kami. Anyway, we just arrived here in Niseko and we will be staying for the next 3 days here in Owashi Lodge that we booked through Agoda. And if you want to book the same hotel, use my promo code, it's Mari Agoda to get discounts. Ayan, quick room tour lang tayo. So, this is our room. Ang nabook namin is yung double room with private bathroom. So, this is the interior. It looks so modern. Pag akit pala dito, guys, walang elevator. Meron kaming double deck na double bed, tas sa taas, single bed. Actually, this room can fit up to 3 persons. Mas okay nga actually kung 3 kayo kasi share kayo ng per night. Kasi medyo pricey yung mga hotel dito sa Niseko. Especially kapag late kayo nag-book, mataas yung prices. And also, during their peak season na February, yan, mas matataas yung prices nila compare sa ngayon na nag-book kami na December. Much better if you plan ahead, like siguro mga 6 months before, makakuha kayo ng mas magagandang hotels here in Niseko. Pero actually, maganda na rin tong hotel namin eh. Tignan nyo. And then dito, merong clothes rack for your ski clothes. Yan, jacket. And then may parang drawer dito. You can put up your stuff here para at least organize siya. May mga hangers din provided. Pillows. Tapos towel. And then here, meron ding drawer. Pwede nyong taguan ng gamit nyo. Working desk and also 1 chair. And then ito, may sabitan din pala dito ng damit. And also, may separate na shower na pangligo. This is the bathroom. Parang pangkasya naman siya, pang isahang tao. And then, meron ng provided na conditioner, shampoo, and then body soap. Mas malawak yung sa ano niya, pang toilet. Meron siyang sink, toilet bowl, may mga tissue naman provided. Yan, mirror. So, very spacious naman yung CR. But all the basic things that you need for your room, nandito naman na provided na nila. And then, of course, the best part of this trip is, ayan, ang ganda ng view. May heater pala. I think heater to. So, if ever na nilalamig kayo, pwede nyo naman turn on yan. And bubuksan nyo lang yung bintana. Yung aircon nila is centralized. Tapos, dapat pala binubuksan yung bintana para makapasok yung lamig. So, yun yung parang magiging aircon for your whole stay. Yeah, so that's it. Ang ganda ng view. Let's go! Mamaya daw, yung ski gears namin, pwedeng i-fit ng 5 p.m. onwards. Kasi nirent namin sa kanila din. Ski rental shop nila. This is by far the cheapest rental shop na nahanap namin here in Niseko. Yan, ski rental, niseko.com sa may Owashi Lodge. 5K per person per day. May 10% discount kasi sila sa website. Pero kung nag-book din kayo sa hotel, ganun din yung sinasabi nila, may 10% discount. So, same lang naman. So, if hindi kayo nagsistay dito, go to their website. Ayun, meron discount. I'm not sure kung until when yung discounted nila. Check nyo na lang sa website nila. Ilalagay ko yung link sa description box below. Ikot-ikot muna tayo kasi mabilis mawala yung araw dito sa area nila. So, maximize lang natin yung day natin. Ganda! May mga Niseko bus. Bus. Actually, marami na mga dumadaan dito na bus. Kung magdi-DIY kayo, maraming pick-up location within Sapporo. Timetable na mga bus schedule. Meron naman dun sa may website. Ito inuman. Bar. Gusto nyo mag-party at night. Wala kami kitang mukha. Magkano kaya kape niya? Nagbaon kami ng beans namin. Kasi di kami sure na kung meron bang cafes here. May mga restaurant naman. May queue lang. Yung mga prices pala nung ramen niya. Ayun o, nakita nyo ba? 1,000. So, 1,000 to 1,400, 1,500. May 2,000 pero parang jumbo ramen yun. May ano pala, queuing number. So, kailangan kumuha ka dito sa may machine bago ka pumila doon. Hindi naman siguro namin balikan. Check na lang namin yung QR code from time to time para alam namin kung malapit na kami. Finally made it to Niseko! Ito may mga Niseko rental doon, no, ng gears. So, ma-check natin. Ayan. So, kung di kayo nakapagpa-reserve, pwede naman na on the spot. Grabe, actually, mamahal talaga ng mga goggles kapag bumili ka na yung pang professional skier.
Pero maganda siguro mag-invest. Matagal ka rin ski. Kasi isipin mo, magagamit mo ng 2 years, 3 years.
At saka kung
5.
nagsisnow dun sa lugar din niya. For the experience. Okay na yung mga mamurahing Ito, ganyan 99. Ayan 630. Parang pang bata to. Pero ito, pang 99 yung mga presyo dito. And then, ayan, mga other accessories. Kasi hindi ito nare-rent yung mga ganito. Yung goggles,
Magkano may rin
yung
balak
5,940. 6K yan. Yan, may mga ski gloves din. Tapos ito, beanie. Meron din. Winter boots. 16K. Tapos 30% off. Kung gusto nyong bumili ng sarili nyo, as in mag-invest talaga kayo ng own equipment nyo. Ayan, meron din sila dito. 39. Pero ang ganda ha. Like,
lightweight.
tsaka matte finish. Maganda rin yung color choices. Ay, may mga sweatpants, jacket, windproof, and then cap, also skiboard. Ay, ang cute na ito Pink. Yan. Gusto nyo mag-rent. Skiboard, pole, and then snowboarding. And then gloves. Wow, ang ganda ng gloves.
Pero pwede siguro, matagal ako mag-ski.
May mga merino wool socks to keep you warm. Doon din pala struggle pag nag-rent a car ka. Pag natabunan kasi yung sasakyan mo, parang kailangan mong i-shovel. Look at this place. Yung Rhythm, isa din sa mga nakitaan namin na may ski gear rentals or snowboard rentals for
28K dalawang araw.
2 persons.
Kaya yung sa Owashi, nakamura tayo 8K.
Pero maganda kasi doon sa Owashi, doon na natin siya pipikapin. Doon din isusole.
mas
Convenient. Let's go. Magkano yung donuts? Bag of 12. 1,000 yen. Cute Wow. Kaya nga, may mga pang mold. Hindi lang siya bilog-bilog. Kuromi! Ito mga anik-anik. Yan, snacks, pasalubong, baton cookies. Ay, ang cute nito Mga keychain. Holder. Para sa mga mainit na drinks. No, I think so. And then ito, cute na to, ref magnet ni Seiko. Tapos, pin. Yan, beer. Sapporo beer. Handkerchief. Ayan, may mga beanie hat. Magmamold sila ng mga iba't ibang shape or characters. Shot glass, animals, figures, tapos t-shirt and jacket. Wow, very nice. Notepad. Here's our order. Miso ramen with tamago and then also soy sauce ramen. Ang laki ng serving niya. Oh my god. Split for the price. Let's eat. So we made it to the King Gondola. Pag bumili kayo online, this is where you're going to pick up your tickets. Pag online kayo bumili, may 5% discount pa. If ever na beginner skiers or snowboarders kayo, Hirafo Hanazono lang na ticket, pwede na. Pero pag pro skiers and snowboarders, all mountain pass. Wow! Dito daw yung meet-up place for the ski lesson tomorrow. Tapos pag may nakita daw kayo na staff na naka-go snow, lapitan nyo lang daw. Tapos mag-ask lang kayo. Uy, ang ganda! Look at this! Ooh! Woo! Ayun yata, may mga nag-lesson. Yung may mga flag, yun yata yung lalapitan. Ang ganda! Parang picture postcard. Wow! Sobrang puti.
Alam mo,
Na-amaze, di ba?
picture doesn't do it justice.
Mag-sled na lang ako pag hindi kaya. Pagka pro naman kayo, ayan. Pwede kayong umakyat dun sa may gondola, papunta dun sa taas, tas go down. Ang taas! So, ang plan namin is first day, yung sa 16 is mag-ski lesson kami. And then on the 17th, kami na lang, free free ski day. I-apply namin yung mga natutunan namin sa ski lessons. Are you ready? Huwag sobrang lamig. Yung hands nag-freeze. Wow! Look at this! Ang ganda!
Ang bilis naman ninyo.
Ang sled nyo.
seriously, wag na wag kayo magsa-self-learn if first time nyo. Skiing looks fun and easy. But once you're standing on snow with skis attached to your feet, ibang-iba siya. We book our whole day beginner lesson through Go Snow. This is the price and sobrang worth it, especially if you have zero experience. The lesson usually starts with the basics, how to properly wear your skis, how to move on flat snow, and most importantly, how to stop. Stopping is everything. They'll teach you how to fall safely because yes, falling is part of the process. Pro tips pala before booking, choose a full day lesson if you can, half day feels too short. Wear proper thermal layers, stretch before starting, and don't expect to be good agad. It's a learning experience. So if it's your first time skiing in Niseko, booking a lesson is essential, and honestly, it makes the whole experience safer, smoother, and way more fun.
Burger, ayan, nasa 1.8 yen. And then the tacos nasa 700 to 1,000 yen. Ito naman yung yakitori. They also have teriyaki kebab. Hello! May mga food truck malapit sa Niseko Grand. Balik na tayo sa hotel. Kasi later, susukatin din natin yung ski gears. Okay.
So guys, here in Ski Niseko, yung inclusion sa mga nirent namin are ski board, poles, helmet, and ski boots. Madami namang sizes available, so don't worry. They also offer snowboarding gear if mas prefer nyo na mag-snowboard instead of skiing. If wala kayong dalang winter outfit and you just want to experience this once, you can also rent ski jackets and pants. Super convenient niyan, especially for first-timers. But if you feel like babalik ka and you want to do this again in the future, I suggest investing in your own jacket and pants para masulit in the long run. I actually have a separate video where I shared kung saan makakabili ng brand new jacket and pants set for only 5,000 yen. So feel free to check that out. Just take note, goggles and gloves are not included in the rental for hygiene purposes, so you'll need to buy those outside. Now in terms of rental shops, we tried Ski Niseko and compared it with Rhythm Niseko. Price-wise, Ski Niseko is generally more affordable and okay na siya for beginners or casual skiers. The gear is decent and functional, perfect if you just want to enjoy the experience. On the other hand, Rhythm Niseko is usually a bit more expensive, but the quality of their gear is more premium. Mas updated yung equipment nila and you have more high performance options, which is great if you're more experienced or particular with your gear. So it really depends on your budget and level. If you're a first-time skier, Ski Niseko is already good enough, but if you want higher-end equipment and don't mind spending more, Rhythm Niseko is a solid choice.
Let's check out food for dinner. Yung mga restaurants and kainan dito sa may Upper Hirafu, usually medyo pricey talaga siya. 6 PM pa lang, pero tignan mo yung dilim dito, parang pang ano na. Ay, ang ganda ng hotel na yon, in fairness. Wow, look at this! Winter Wonderland. Ang lapit ito, may party sila dito. Bar! Oh, ayun, maba ulit pila. Yung mga restaurants pala nila dito sa Sapporo, including dito sa Niseko, ang lunch time nila is until 2 PM and then break time nila hanggang 5 PM. So 5 PM onwards magre-resume yung dinner. So make sure you eat on time. Wow, ang ganda! Ay, cute oh, yung heart. Diba? Wow, sweet! Wow! Pero low-rise, ano lang sila. Low-rise houses and hotel. Wala kaming kitang matataas. Look at what we found here. Mamaya kasi ito lang yung meron eh.
Hanggang today na lang, Hotel 60.
Tapos bili tayo nito, strawberry Hokkaido.
Saan yung strawberry?
Ay, nasa ilalim. Tapos meron din Kyoto matcha milk. Kung mahilig kayo sa matcha. Tapos ito, mochi oh. Mochi, tas strawberry, cheese mousse, palitaw, ganon, na minatamis. Naka 50 off na yung mga pagkain pag mga 7 PM onwards. Tadaan! Kung gusto nyong mas sulit pa, mas tipid, late kayo kakain. Naka 50 off na yung mga items. Hokkaido yogurt. And then may mga cosmetics. Ito naman mga pang support. For knee, meron din for waist. Ito sa lampas. Nasarap na
Bili
natin.
na tayo.
Oo, mukha eh. Ayan dinidikit sa katawan. Banana chips meron. Ayun, may mga gloves show for sale din. Got the goods! Hokkaido milk strawberry.
Place the skis on the snow, get with the pump, and just stand as normally as you can.
Ready na maghabal-habal.
Book na lang, mama.
Apo. Up po. Oh, yeah. Sir, tara, sakay, sir. Sir, sakay na dali. Checking lang kung paano siya isuot.
You could put me in the trash can, throw me on the sidewalk, drop me at the crossroads, sell me at the threshold. I don't really care where you send me, send me, send me. No, I don't really care if you can drop me in the ocean, leave me in the alley, hide me in the basement, or leave me at the restaurant. I don't really care if you lose me, lose me, lose me, or if you choose me.
Hey guys, good morning. It's currently our second to the last day here in Owashi Lodge and I'm just having my breakfast. Simple breakfast lang naman. Not too heavy. Alam niyo ba kung ano yung best part ng breakfast na to? Look at this view! Grabe, like, hindi ko sure kung paano makaka-get over sa view na to. Pagbalik ko ng Manila, kakaiba yung feeling na you're having breakfast tapos ito yung view mo. Like, grabe, sobrang ganda. By the way, ang weather today is -7 degrees. And nakita ko sa news, marami daw cancellations ng flight ng Hokkaido or Sapporo because of the weather. Kasi sobrang lakas daw ng snowfall. Sobrang grateful lang talaga kung nakikita ko itong view na ito ngayon. Pangarap ko lang ito noon na makakita ng snow. Sa movies ko lang siya talaga nakikita at sa mga pictures. Yung ski lesson itself for full day is around 21,000 yen. Pagka-adult groups. Sa group naman, 6 lang kayo. So, somehow, matututukan naman kayo ng guide and matuturuan naman kayo. Pero if you choose the half-day ski lesson and go snow, it's around 18,000 yen. So, parang konti lang yung difference. So, might as well take the full day ski lesson na kasi marami kayong matututunan. And I'm telling you, hindi enough yung 2 hours or 3 hours ski lesson para matutunan nyo kung paano mag-slide, mag-stop, etc. Beginner's trail and beginner-friendly naman siya. And then also, yung guide naman is speaking English. So, no worries about that. Sobrang dami nilang guide na English speaking. So, hindi kayo mahihirapan. Mostly nga na nakita namin, puro foreigners. Bibihira lang kami nakakita ng Japanese dito sa may Niseko. Even yung mga tao dito sa hotel namin, yung mga staff dito is foreigner din. This place is very foreigner-friendly. Di naman kayo mahihirapan when it comes to communicating with them. Ang magiging struggle nyo lang is yung sa pagkain. Kasi usually, depende naman sa preferences nyo kung ano yung gusto nyong kainan. Actually, kagabi kumain kami sa may Afuri. Meron din nun sa Tokyo, Japan. But it's a different price point here. Also, may mga other food trucks din kami nakita. Tapos, mga taco, chicken, cheese tart, ganon. Meron. May dessert din kami nakainan kagabi na hindi ko na na-vlog kasi nga, sobrang nilamig as in. Ayun, medyo mid-range yung sa food trucks. Ramen, gyoza, kebab, Indian food, burger, yon. Yung mga quick bites, yung mga madaling lutuin, shawarma, etc. And then restaurants also, may mga restaurants dito, but yun yung mga medyo pag gusto nyo mag-splurge and also you wanna treat yourself something nice to eat, yun, pwede kayo mag-restaurant. And then if ever you really want to be on the tipid side, tapos on the activities, dun kayo gagastos, pwede rin kayong kumain sa mga convenience store. Maraming mga convenience store dito. May Lawson, may Seiko Mart, tas merong isang drugstore na, pero yon marami din siya mga pagkain, bento meals, and then mga hot foods or hot meals dun sa convenience store nila. So, most of the tourists or locals here, dun bumibili ng pagkain nila. And then, araw-araw naman, nagre-replenish sila ng food, so hindi naman kayo mauubusan. So, if you feel like spending more on the ski activities, it's okay if you want na magtipid dun sa side, sa food. Pero if you feel like splurging on both, like both ski activities and also the food, ayun, pwede kayong mag-restaurant naman. At rin pala, kapag mag-a-avail kayo ng mga ski lesson, hindi na pala kailangan nung lift pass. Kasi dito lang naman kayo sa baba. Unless, ang bilis niyong matuto, tapos nag-advance lesson na kayo after your beginner lesson, doon na kailangan yung lift pass. You can actually choose the all mountain pass kung marami kayong gustong puntahan na ski resort. But you can also choose the Hirafu Hanazono pass for 4,100 yen. Dito nyo siya magagamit sa may Grand Hirafu and then yung sa Niseko Tokyo base. Ayun, bumili kami. Hindi naman pala namin kailangan. So ngayon, nag-worry kami kung gagamitin ba namin siya o hindi. Pero all, naman siya, seasonal pass naman siya. So valid siya until March. Kaso, hindi namin sure kung gaano ba katarik yung taas.
kung kaya ba naming itry na mag-leaf pass tapos mag-ski down kasi walang option para bumaba kundi mag-ski or mag-snowboard. Hindi ka pwedeng sumakay din sa mismong chairlift pag pababa. Ang worry namin, syempre pag umakit kami doon, wala kaming choice kundi mag-ski pababa. Ang tanong, kaya ko ba? Well, kaya ko naman mag-stop, mag-wedge, etc. Pero like, hindi ko kasi sure kung gaano siya kataas. Like, tinitignan ko sa mga video, parang hindi naman super taas. Parang kaya naman. Pero syempre, iba pa rin yung nandun ka na, diba? So, hindi ko sure. Kung kaya ko siyang i-stop, as kung kaya ko na hindi masyadong bilisan, pwede namin i-push through. Pero kung hindi, iniisip din namin na ibenta na lang sa labas ng ski resort. Sa scalper, be. Maniniwala ba? Baka isipin kasi scammer kami. Baka kung hindi namin siya mabenta, gagamitin talaga namin siya. Kailangan ko siya matutunan. Wala akong choice. Kasi sayang yung 8-1 na binayad namin for 2 na yun. Pero the quality of snow here is really, 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 really nice and fine. Talagang totoo yung sinasabi nila na the best quality ng snow powder is here in Aseco. So, anyway, sige, let's figure out later kung aakit tayo dun sa taas or not. We ended up using our lift pass kasi sayang nga naman. But quick reality check lang guys about the Ace Family Run here in Grand Hiraku. So technically green slope naman siya, beginner level. But let me manage your expectations. First drop pagbaba ng chairlift, super steep. I honestly panic. Nagpagulong-gulong talaga ako pababa kasi I was picking up my speed and hindi ko na ma-stop. I even cried, I'm not even exaggerating. And I was hoping na may tutulong sa akin but wala. You have no choice but to ski down on your own. Unless magpaparescue ka but may bayad siya. So tip ko talaga, if you're not fully confident yet with your L1 lesson, I highly suggest you take L2 muna or more practice before attempting this. Don't do what we did. Hit green slope siya, that first drop can be intimidating and you might get injured if you panic. Nairaos ko naman eventually after that first steep drop. The rest of the slope is actually manageable and mas kaya na siya. Pero yung unang part talaga, I ended up walking it down the next time instead of skiing it. So ayun lang, just sharing para prepared kayo mentally.
Ito na tayo sa Gedli. Baka natin sa D na makaakyat. Kasi pagod na mi. Hirap na yung legs ko ha. Siya nakailang balik-balik na sa taas. Look at the snowman. I did. Hindi po siya umabot sa katawan, be. Para siyang dodo. Hello there! Pro skier!
Kaya kasi left ko dito.
Sobra na, tama na, kota na. Kailan ka? Wow! Ang galing mo naman. Simula umaga nagsiski tayo, hanggang ngayon nagsiski ka pa rin. Ako doon, nag-enjoy ako dito. Okay na ka dito. Nag-enjoy ako sa powder. Ito lang talaga yung pinunta ko, yung powder. Nakatatlo naman ako. Ay hindi, nakaapat ako yung isa dito.